Welcome to Q.MACS, a system for control and quality management of welding processes. The use of Q.MACS provides you with the control of the machines connected to the local network and the real-time monitoring of welding processes from any number of workplaces. The preparation of multiple work tasks for manually and robot-operated machines. The evaluation of welding data and the creation of analytical reports. For the solution of these tasks, Q.MACS uses various functional modules. The online control module contains all the necessary tools to control the separate welding units. On the left side are all to the system connected machines listed, and their current status is displayed. At the same time, the actual settings of the machine and all their situated jobs are loaded on the PC. The direct control editor allows the setting of welding parameters on the selected machine in real time. Each parameter change in the editor causes the synchronous changing of the corresponding setting on the machine and vice versa. In the online job management panel, the creation or transfer of jobs on the machine, as well as the editing of the already loaded jobs on the machine, are performed. At this point, the following actions can be performed: the upload of individual jobs as well as of complete job packages from pre-created templates, the creation of a new job or the modification of the already loaded job, the storage of the newly created or changed jobs as a template for subsequent use, the removal of the selected job. After modification of the job, its previous state is stored as a backup. All changes can be reversed at any time. On the monitoring panel, diagrams are shown which reflect the observed parameter values in real time. Separately, the average values of the parameters are shown. The list of displayed parameters can be defined to suit your requirements. The management module is used to manage the welding process settings which are subsequently used for the direct control of machines. The job is the main management element, which contains the settings of the welding process. Other elements serve as container objects in order to facilitate the user's subsequent transfer of the entire job lists to the machines. The system supports various types of job containers. The joint technologies determine the structure and the settings for the welding joint. The same technology can be used in various joints for various components. Based on the technologies, welding procedure specifications can be generated and printed. Component technology contains the welding process settings and all joints for the individual components. The joints of the components are associated with the relevant joint technologies. Welding task groups allows the distribution of the tasks designated for the welding of components of one type to different machines. Welding programs provide a range of tasks for the welding components of different types to be performed on a single machine. The programs can be used both for manual as well as for the robot-controlled machines. The program structure can be printed. Assigned tasks are sets of welding operations which are scheduled for execution on a particular machine at a given point in time. Once templates have been prepared, they are available in the management module and can be used repeatedly in the future. The analysis module provides a user-friendly interface for selection and displaying the produced welds, the evaluation of the parameters of the single welds, and for the generation of reports based on the selected data. There are two types of data representation: as a pivot table and as a diagram. For data selection, the filter panel is used. Here are the filter elements, which are used for the selection of data according to specific characteristics. When selecting one of the values of the filter, a query is generated to the database and the obtained data is showed on the display panel. The left panel is used to adjust the structure of the data representation. In the upper part of the panel, data groupings can be selected. Below, aggregates and informative characteristics can be defined. Group, filter and aggregate elements can be added, moved, deleted or disabled. In this way, configured data can be printed in the form of a report. The structure of the report is based on the settings of the groupings, aggregates, filters and the selected display mode, as a pivot table or as a diagram. For a detailed analysis of each weld, the welding analyzer is used. In the analyzer, both different parameters of a single weld as well as a single parameter of several welds can be compared. Further, a report can also be printed here. Working with the report module facilitates the printing of reports, the import of new or modified reports, the configuration of the report catalog structure. Prior to the report issue, its parameters have to be configured. Afterwards, the report preview appears. The generated report can be sent to the printer or stored in a specific file format. The structure of the report catalog can also be changed. Take advantage of the quality management potential of Q.MACS in the control of your welding processes.